Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. If you remember, we've been learning about our special sound that is made when N and G come together. Can you remember what sound N and G make when they come together? That's right. And is that sound a vowel or our new word, consonant? It's a consonant. You're right. This is not a vowel sound. And keep in mind, we do not want to say nga, nga. That is not the sound this makes. N and G work together to make the sound. And that sound is coming from our nose. Let's make some words today. Whenever you see a word that has an N and G at the end, you know it makes that one sound. Even though it's two letters, it works together to make So, look at the word on the screen. Mr. Slates, how do I read this word? You start at the beginning with the S, you move to the I, and then the and you blend those sounds together to make a real word. Watch me. Ready? Sing, sing, sing. That's sing. Do you get it? Let's try another one. O ong, o ong, o ong. Long, like a snake, can be very long. You try this next one. All right, let's see how you did. Ready? Ba-ang, ba-ang, bang. Do you see how each time I do the sounds a little faster? Sometimes I have to do it slow at first, and then a little faster, and then a little faster, and then my mind says, wait, I know that word. That's bang. Last one. Ooh, tricky. Look, there's two of our special sounds. My TH, which goes f, and my NG, which goes Can you try that one by yourself? All right, watch. Ready? Ing, ing, thing, thing. It's a thing. Awesome job, boys and girls. You're doing so much better with these sounds. Let's go on to our next sound activity. I say a big word, you echo, and then we tick off the first part and say what's left. Say customer. Without cuss, what's left? Tamer. Tricky. Microscope. Without my, what's left? Croscope. Ooh, tricky. Say instrument. Without in, what's left? Strument. Say awfully. Without awe, what's left? Fully. I love that picture. Say tournament. Without tur, what's left? Nament. Say confident. Without con, what's left? Fident. Say calendar. Without cal, what's left? Endure. Say Mercury. That's a planet. Without myrrh, what's left? Curry. Say mystery. Without mi, what's left? Story. All right, it's time for our last sound activity called blending. So let me bring out, wait, it's not Mario, is it? It's Tony. And Tony's out of his shell. He's not sleeping this morning. Now, I have a question. Who should read the big word? Tony or Mr. Slates? I think Tony should. Don't you? Don't you like to hear Tony talk? Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Hello, boys and girls. Hey, Tony. So good to see you. All right. The boys and girls, I think, would rather you say the big word, and then they and me break up the word into its two sounds. So can we do that? All right. Tony, you say our first word. What's our first word? Shoe. He said shoe. Can you say it? Shoe. Let's break it up. Ready? Sh, oo. Shoe makes the word shoe. Wait, that didn't make sense. The sounds sh, oo make the word shoe. All right, Tony, next one. Are you ready? Say our word. Ice. He said ice. Say it. Let's break it up. Ready? I-s. That makes ice. Great. Next one. Sue. He said Sue. Let's break up Sue. Ready? S-oo makes Sue, like a girl's name. Next one. At. He said at. Ready? At makes the word at. Last one. Egg. He said egg. Let's break up egg. Ready? Egg makes egg. All right, Tony, that's all for now. Do you have anything else to say? Goodbye, boys and girls. He says goodbye. Goodbye from both of us.